Hare Krishna. Namaskaras. I am Parshuram Bettigeri from Bharati Haridasa Sahitya Vidyalaya, Bengaluru. Welcome to 12th class Brahmanda, the Universe. Here we will discuss regarding the initiation taken for mixing of Trigunas. The purpose is the creation of the world. The Supreme Narayana as a Purusha Rupi Paramatma, as a Purusha form, will take four forms as Aniruddha, Pradyumna, Sankarshana and Vasudeva. Mother Mahalakshmi also will take her forms in accordance with that four forms. These are together referred as Murti Chatushtayas, the four forms, four rupas. Whenever any form of creation topics are referred, these four forms are necessarily referred. Sometimes it will be called as Vyuharupas also. The Purusha Rupi Paramatma directs his eternal consort Lakshmi Devi to participate in the Brahmanda creation process, and he empowers her to do so. She is called Chitta Prakriti, that is animate nature, animate Prakriti. She is also controller of all the inanimate matter, Jada Prakriti nature, non-living. This inanimate nature during the Pralaya night period, the Pralaya is also called as destruction period, dissolution period, or period of silence. During the Pralaya, the inanimate nature, matter energy will be in a dormant form. It is thus called as Vyakta, not being seen, not to be recognized, will not be recognized. The Vyakta, which is not in a position to act also, it will be in dormant form. It is infinitely powerful, but without any mass during the time, only with infinite energy attached to it, and it is in dormant form. Photon, a smallest particle of the light, is an energy particle without any mass. Without photon, the world will be dark. We cannot see anything from my eyes. Like that photon, the Avyakta Tattva is, now it is in dormant form. The Avyakta Tattva, invisible energy element, is of three types, three shades in nature. Sattva Guna particles separately, the yellowish colored eternal, Rajoguna particles separately, the reddish colored eternal, and Tamoguna particles separately, the bluish colored eternal. Mother Mahalakshmi with the three different forms, Sri Devi, Bhudevi and Durga Devi, is in charge, controller of above said tattvas, gunas, shades accordingly. Sri for tattva, Bhu for Raja and Tamaguna for Durga. We can refer to Sattva as original light, eternal, and Tama as original dark, eternal, Raja with the mix of original light and original dark, the mixture of above said 1 and 2. Now let us start the mixing process for the purpose of creation of the world. By order of Lord Srihari, Mother Lakshmi acts. She will take now few particles of all the three gunas separately. She energizes them separately. She keeps few predetermined particles, the guna particles called as atoms, or teeny massless. Their existence is less than the Planck's constant, what our physics says. Very teeny atoms, dots, energy particles without any mass. The Mother Lakshmi will energize the three gunas separately. These all the three gunas energized are for the purpose of the creation. Now this all the three gunas energized will be referred as Avyakta Tattva. In the modern science, atoms, Paramanu, were referred as building blocks of the universe. they also are building blocks for the physical bodies of living beings. Again, after finding the science, the scientists found that the atoms are not building blocks. They are made up of electrons, protons, and neutrons. So these three electrons, protons, and neutrons are referred as building blocks. Again, it was found that the above said protons, electrons, and neutrons are not the building blocks. Oh, the size of proton, electrons, and neutrons is very tiny. Still now it is found that they are also not building blocks. They are all formed by still more subtle three different type of building blocks. They are called by the scientists as quarks, leptons, and bosons. The smallest individual light particle, what light is there, it is called as boson. It is a type of boson. Bosons also different types of are there. Let us not go much detail into this. These are massless energy particles, require no space. The modern day, the Hadron Collider, now in Europe, is famous for study of above mentioned building blocks, quarks, leptons, and bosons. Scientists all over the world are studying these tiny massless particles. Okay, now let us come to the main topic. So now the energized sattva, raja, and tama particles all together as a special mix will be now after referred as Avyakta Tattva. The Mahalakshmi is with her three forms within the Avyakta Tattva forms of gunas. She will be there to energize them. She will take 100 sattva parts from sattva group. She takes 10 rajo parts from the rajo groups and 1 tamo parts from the tamo group. She will mix these all the parts wonderfully. It will be the 100, 10 and 1. It will be 111 energy, total mixed energy. The process of mixing, it is catalyzing, is very complicated, need infinite energy process. It is only possible with Mother Mahalakshmi only, by the grace of, by the order of Lord. No other souls, even no other infinite souls can do it. May whatever strength they are, may whatever energy they have. No, it is not possible. This process of mixing predetermined energy, massless particles, will lead to a new tattva, is called a Mahat Tattva. So this Avyakta Tattva, the form of which was formed at the first instance for the first creation purpose, it gives rise to Mahat Tattva with complicated energy at highest level, mixing of 100 Sattva, 10 Raja and 1 Tama Guna particles, groups, and it is come to 111. And that complicated mixing process, the resultant tattva is Mahat Tattva. Avyakta Tattva is the most subtle and purest in the universe. And now Mahat Tattva is also subtle, but not like Avyakta Tattva. It is also pure, but it is not so pure like Avyakta Tattva. When mixing takes place, the products will be gaining mass through its process. However, it may not be perceived. Even though it might have gained a mass, it cannot be perceived. What are all the tattvas formed outside the Suvarna sphere of the universe are all subtle, massless, teeny. However, among them, one below other, while mixing, are taking masses. They are taking masses. So, what is the fact is the process of mixings when going on, taking to make these particles to gain the mass, so that the creation is required. The word creation is required. and what is visible to us, it is having mass, it is got energy, it on the big massive massive this what bodies are there, the sun, moon, that stars and all, they exist, gravitational powers and all things. So to brief it, before creation the energy particles of triguna will be in dormant form, they will be lying separately. During the creation, by order of the Lord, Sri Hari Mahalakshmi takes action. She will take three forms, Sri, Bhu, Durga, controls all the gunas separately. She will energize the trigunas first, then she will take some predetermined parts of each gunas, 100, 10 and 1, and will mix them wonderfully. She will provide vital energy for all those guna particles. Thus mixed triguna particles will form the tattva is called as Avyakta tattva. It is most subtle, and from the Avyakta tattva, this next tattva is formed, that is Mahat tattva. That is by mixing that different proportions, the 100, 10 and 1. So after mixing that, this Mahat tattva was formed. However, we will go in detail in the next 1 or 2 classes, because it is something complicated topic. This is the initiation of Bharatiya Haridas Sahitya Vidyalaya Bengaluru. We are in the service of mankind, the society, for the last 25 years. I request you to kindly subscribe to our Vidyalaya channel and support us. Thank you. Thank you.